Saint Bernards are most well known for saving injured people in the mountains. It is believed that they wore barrels or kegs around their necks that stored wine or brandy to warm up and give fluids to the people they found in the snow. The Great St. Bernard Pass is located in the Western Alps, and it is a 49-mile route. According to SmithsonianMag.com, 2,000 people were rescued by this breed over a span of 200 years. Salvatore Rosa, an Italian artist, was the first to show a depiction of the breed in two of his paintings in 1695. Monks used St. Bernards to serve as their watchdogs and companions. They also tried to breed them with longer hair to protect them against the cold, but that didn't work because ice collected and formed on their longer coats. When the rescue dogs found injured people, they would lay on top of them to keep them warm. Now, monks rely on helicopters to rescue those injured in the Alps rather than the St. Bernards. Another thing St. Bernards are well known for is the beloved movie series Beethoven.